Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're discussing Tesla. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're discussing Tesla, who just had an event in Austin yesterday for the delivery of their first Cybertruck. Now I have said this before, Tesla is the stock that has analysts most divided and with some very differing opinions, and this remains true. In just the last 24 hours, we've had a buy, a hold, and a sell rating all come in on the Tesla stock. So today we're going to take a quick look at some updates from their event yesterday and the opinions of all of these differing analyst ratings. Of course, you can follow along with the Tesla stock over on TipRanks.com or by downloading the TipRanks mobile app as well. Links are in the description down below. Now let's jump right into the Tesla stock. Of course, trading under the ticker TSLA, they're currently priced at $237 per share, but this stock has had quite the year. When we look back 12 months, they're up 21%, but what a difference 1 month can make. If we look year to date, they're actually up 119%. The Tesla stock has a 52-week range with a low of $101 and a high of nearly $300, so there's been a lot of movement here. It's actually cooled off and is down about 7% in the last quarter. Of course, Tesla is a very popular stock, and though we've seen crowd wisdom decline slightly in the past month with the holdings decreasing slightly, 20% of all smart portfolio investors still hold the Tesla stock, and when we look at our top investors, that goes up to 34%. After a 4-year wait, Tesla finally delivered its first Cybertrucks yesterday and held an event to celebrate in Austin, Texas. Elon Musk highlighted several features of the Cybertruck, of course including its apocalypse-worthy durability, its towing capacity, and their high-end model being able to go 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds. We also found out what the price points for these Cybertrucks are going to be. Now, a few years ago, Elon Musk said that they'd be keeping it under $40,000, but to no surprise, it is going to be more expensive than that. Their cheapest model is going to be over $60,000 before rebates, and that won't be available till 2025. Their high-end model will be up around $100,000. Back in October, Elon Musk shared that there had been 1 million reservations for the Cybertruck. Of course, not all of these will actually turn into full sales. He did also say that it won't be until 2025 that they're able to ramp up production of the Cybertruck to 250,000 vehicles per year. So those are just a few highlights from the event yesterday, but this video is not a review of Tesla's Cybertruck, more looking at the recent analyst ratings coming from Wall Street, which vary greatly. We're going to start things off with our sell rating, who came from an analyst at Bernstein. Analyst Tony Sacconaghi has issued a sell rating for Tesla based on a comprehensive analysis of their current financial standing and future prospects. He says that the recent release of their Cybertruck, while a significant event, is not expected to be a major contributor to the company's financial growth. He notes that the market for the Cybertruck is relatively small and the initial pricing higher than anticipated, which could limit their market penetration. He further criticizes Tesla's aging product lineup with no new mass market offerings anticipated until late 2025, which could hinder the company's ability to address a broader market segment. And he notes the imbalance between price cuts to stimulate demand and the cost of goods sold, which has already put pressure on the company's auto gross margins. Tony's sell rating on the Tesla stock comes with a price target of $150, which would imply a potential downside of 36% from current prices. Now, coming in more neutral on the Tesla stock, we do have a hold rating from Goldman Sachs. 5-star analyst Mark Delaney says that the Cybertruck's impressive capabilities, such as its rapid acceleration, towing capacity, and advanced technology, are noteworthy. Despite this, potential challenges lie ahead with the vehicle's premium pricing and production scalability. Mark notes that the market's anticipation is high, as shown with those 1 million reservations, but they maintain their estimates of just 50,000 Cybertrucks delivered in 2024. With the base rear-wheel drive model not available until 2025, and then the all-wheel drive and tri-motor models set for delivery in 2024, Delaney's rating reflects cautious optimism tempered by the challenges associated with the Cybertruck's market introduction and Tesla's ability to meet production and delivery targets. His hold rating is really as neutral as it can get, as it comes with a price target of $235, so basically flat and in line with current prices. Now, on the bullish side of things, giving the Tesla stock a buy rating, we have an analyst from RBC Capital. Analyst Tom Narayan notes that their pricing does start on the high end of what the firm expected, and the conversion rate on the 1 million plus reservations will be low, likely under 20%, though this shouldn't be a factor through 2024, as Tesla will not deliver a cumulative 200,000 units until well into 2025. The firm further notes that only 3% of total Tesla volumes in 2024, the Cybertruck should not be much of a margin headwind in the year. So it seems that he's discounting the impact that the Cybertruck will have on the Tesla stock, either negative or positive. With his buy rating, he gives the stock a price target of $300, which would be an upside of 27%. Now, those are just the 3 ratings that have come in the last 24 hours, but of course the Tesla stock has attracted many more. Altogether, there are 33 ratings, and it comes in with a hold, as we have a good mix of buys, holds, and sells. With 14 buy ratings, 13 holds, and 6 sells, the average price target of $247 would be an upside of 4%. Down below, we can see the buy, sell, and hold just from this last day, but looking further down, we do have a string of more bullish buy ratings, ranging from 16% upside all the way to 60% upside from Morgan Stanley. Of course, we have some holds and sells with downsides as well, one from JP Morgan with a downside of 42%, and if we go back a bit further, a low-end price target of 64% downside. Of course, when you look at this chart up here, you can see the wide range of price targets that the Tesla stock brings in, from $85 on the low end to $380 on the high end. So those are the most recent opinions from Wall Street on the Tesla stock following their Cybertruck event. Let me know your thoughts in the comments on Tesla. Like I said, I know this is a very divisive one. People seem to love it or hate it. So I'd love to hear from you and how you think this truck is going to impact the company. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Of course, please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just keeping you up to date with those Wall Street analysts. So make sure you always stick to your own investment plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.